Alright, let's look at another type of force we've got here. We've seen that forces can affect things or make things move. So let's have a think about one force that we're very, very affected by each and every day of our lives. And that is the force called gravity. Now, gravity is a force that exists between two things, or it can be more things than two, but two things we're going to look at. And so we've just got to think about how it affects us. Now, the arrows I've got pictures on the picture of the Earth are all pointing in the same direction. They're all trying to get to the centre of the Earth in here. So all the lines of gravity, or all gravity, is going to affect us. Regardless of whether I'm standing up here in Europe, or down here in Africa, or in South America, we're going to find that gravity is going to pull me towards the centre of the Earth. All right? That's everything. Now, in general, we're going to say that the gravity is the same everywhere in the world. And what it does is it affects the bodies that are on the surface of the Earth, like the animals, the plants, and us. But there is a bit of a problem here, and I'm going to get to that at the end. Now, gravity is everywhere in the universe, and I want you to think about that for a minute. I'm going to come back to that in a moment, so have a think. Gravity depends upon the size of things. We normally find that bigger objects have a bigger gravity. So if we looked at the gravity of the Earth as opposed to the gravity of a big star like our sun is so much bigger, so the gravity would be larger. All right, and the last thing I want you to think about is this thing about a constant value. And at some stage, you'll actually find out that value. It is a constant, which means it doesn't change. And you'll actually find that value with it. Now, some of us might have heard the expression zero gravity. But I've told you that gravity is everywhere in the universe. So how in heaven's name can we have zero gravity in space? Maybe you could tell me the answer to that if you find out.